Asheville, North Carolina, one of the highlights for visitors of the southeastern United States. If you know where to look, you can get a view of the Biltmore house at various locations around Asheville and along the Blue Ridge Parkway. The best view, however, will be to buy a ticket and go in the estate, though it can be rather pricey to visit depending on the season. Everyone probably should see it at least once. You can go to www.biltmore.com and find a package that would suit exactly what you would like. They have concerts available at various times of the year as well, and you may want to visit a vineyard for a wine tasting or to purchase you a bottle of Biltmore estate wine. Though you can stay on the estate in one of their hotels, I recommend either staying in one of the many hotels in the Asheville area, or better yet, I recommend one of the vacation rental sites such as Airbnb or VRBO. You absolutely must take a trip down the Blue Ridge Parkway. Either side of Asheville, north or south, you will find some of the most beautiful area in the southeastern United States. The southern Appalachians has no higher mountains than you'll find around Asheville. Also, the beauty will astound you. Small mountain farms are everywhere. Maybe if you get out early or after an evening thunderstorm, you'll see what looks like an ocean of clouds and mountains sticking up like islands. At any rate, you will feel like you've stepped back in time just a little bit. Life is a little slower. There's a lot less hustle and bustle. Cities are few and far between. Just enjoy the mountains the way the mountain people have done for centuries. No matter the season of the year when you visit, you will find that the southern Appalachians are beautiful. All around the western North Carolina area, there are waterfalls, too numerous to name. I'm sure there'll be one that will delight you. Take a look, see what you want to try to find, enjoy. One waterfall, Sliding Rock, in the Pisgah National Forest, is available for you to slide down into a pool of cold mountain water. In addition, there's a number of national parks, national forests, state parks, and state forests in the area. All around the Asheville area, you will find vineyards and wineries where you can enjoy a tasting or just enjoy the mountain view. If you travel along the Blue Ridge Parkway south of Asheville, one of the must-dos is the Pisgah Inn. While you dine at the Pisgah Inn, you'll have unmatched views of the cradle of forestry in America, where forestry began in America. One of the delicious dishes is fresh mountain trout, filleted at tableside. You can enjoy breakfast at the Pisgah Inn after enjoying a night's stay at one of their beautiful rooms overlooking this serene view. Make sure to make reservations. Booking is at a premium, especially during the fall leaf season. You can view wildlife, go fishing, or enjoy boating or kayaking or just swimming. in one of the many streams, ponds, and lakes all around the Asheville area. You can enjoy one of the many breweries, the Chocolate Lounge, Shindig on the Green, Wildflowers, natural views, wildlife, rock climbing, or many other things. Find a local beekeeper and get some sourwood honey, but beware, more sourwood honey is sold than is actually produced. Sourwood is just one of our many native wildflowers. Wildflowers abound all along the Blue Ridge Parkway and other mountain highways. When you visit the mountains around Asheville, you'll know that you've found that somewhere over the rainbow. So before the sun sets on you again, plan a trip to the mountains around Asheville, North Carolina.